what point does waiting for justice become its own form of injustice? It was this exact, incredibly important question that finally pushed India's Supreme Court to make a decision that would change the rules for everyone.
So, to really get why the court's decision was so huge, we first have to understand the sheer scale of this crisis. We're not talking about a few delayed cases here and there. We're talking about a fundamental breakdown in the justice system, one that essentially put the entire system on trial.
Okay, so let's be perfectly clear on what under trial means. This is a person who, by law, is presumed innocent until proven guilty. And yet, these are the very people making up the vast majority of our prison population. Their lives are just stuck on pause while the wheels of justice turn excruciatingly slowly.
Now, numbers on a screen are one thing, but what really sparked the Supreme Court's intervention were the stories of real people. In fact, it was two specific cases that became the human faces of this enormous problem. On one side, you have Hussain. He was accused of a narcotics offense and had already spent 3.5 years in jail just waiting for his trial to finish. Then, on the other side, there's Asu. He was convicted of murder and had been in prison for 8 years waiting for his appeal to be heard. You see, two totally different stages of the legal process, but the exact same outcome. Years of their lives just lost in limbo.
So, the cases of Hussein and Asu became way bigger than just their own stories. They forced the Supreme Court to face this massive constitutional question head-on. Is the right to a speedy trial, which is guaranteed under Article 21, just a nice idea on paper? Or is it an actual enforceable right that the system must deliver on? And the court's answer?